Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Thank you for watching me strip down the Kawasaki KM90 over the last few weeks. Today I will go through the parts I now have and explain what I aim to do with them all so that you will have something more to look forward to in the coming weeks. The first job I will do is get the frame ready for powder coating. I need to remove the rubber support bungs, these reflectors, the outer steering bearings and a new rear mudguard support made and welded on. I will pressure wash it just as soon as it stops raining and blowing a gale out there to get rid of the mud and the oil. The other parts that need powder coating are the swing arm, once I've removed the bushes, the footrest support, the battery box, the base of the steering stem and probably the headlight body. Plus, I'm sure I'll throw a few other bits in too. There are a few parts that will need rechroming. The handlebars, both the wheels, the fork stanchions, the rear springs and maybe the damper bodies too. I've never stripped spoke wheels before, so that will be fun. The next job I will do, but you may not see for a while, is to clean and then strip the forks down. I would like to be able to strip and rebuild them all in the same video, but this may depend on how long the rechroming takes. Also, I will do the rear suspension again in one video if I can. I will replace as many fasteners as I can. Fortunately, JIS screws are easily available, which is lucky as many have been chewed by previous owners using Phillips screwdrivers on them over the years. Can I ask, if you are new here and like what I do, please consider subscribing by clicking on my face down there. Then ring my bell so that you will get notifications when there is more to see from Biker Stuff. I will dismantle the engine and check over everything as I go. A local company to me does vapor blasting and I think that may be the way I will go with the casing unless I'm advised against it. Also, the brake hubs will need the same treatment. I know the fuel tank is full of what looks like gunky dried up petrol and a good coating of rust. That will be a video where I hope to soften the muck, de-rust the inside and protect it from future corrosion. I can then get the dents removed, followed by a full respray. I have ordered some plastic pellets with the intention of filling the tank with some solvent, an amount of the pellets, screw the cap on and then shake it until everything comes loose. The front and back mud guards are, I believe, a thermoplastic, so hopefully with a heat gun I can tidy them both up. I've already taken the seat frame off to be welded up for me, as finding a replacement was looking difficult. It just seemed worth getting a good fabricator to repair it for me. After that I will have it powder coated and recovered. So, there you have it. The jobs are, and maybe in this order, get the frame ready for powder coating. Strip and rebuild the front and rear suspension. Rebuild the steering with new bearings. Heat treat the bumpers. Strip, check over, vapor blast and rebuild the engine. Clean and respray the fuel tank. And finally, reassemble it all with new fasteners. Turn the fuel tap on and kick start it. Easy, really. Thank you for watching. I know you liked it, so tell your friends, and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff.